A chemical leak at a cheese manufacturing plant sent several employees to the hospital today. It's our top story tonight. Good evening. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Casey Marler. 2 leaks reported this morning at a plant in Greeneville. Employees from the plant were taken to 3 different hospitals in the region. News Channel 11's Jayana Scurry has been following this story throughout the day and tells us what she learned.
Sarah, Casey, out of 29 employees hospitalized, Ballard Health cared for 25 of those employees. All of them are in stable condition and most were able to be discharged after a required 6-hour observation period. 29 employees at La Casera Mexicana Cheese Manufacturing Company were hospitalized after 2 leaks of anhydrous ammonia in the refrigeration system. A 911 call came in around 7:15 a.m. on Wednesday morning for the first leak.
There was a pop-off valve that went off. We did evacuate the building. We treated some patients this morning. Maintenance got on scene, they fixed that valve, and then we allowed everybody to go back in after we checked the building.
6 employees were taken to local hospitals at first. For the second leak, a 911 call came in around 10 a.m. 23 more employees were taken to hospitals and 53 had to be evaluated.
Anhydrous ammonia can cause respiratory and burning of the skin.
Greeneville City Manager Todd Smith said that's why some employees had to be evaluated to make sure no additional medical issues occur.
There is no immediate danger to the local area from the chemical leak, so there is no immediate danger to the public in the vicinity.
Ballard Health says each patient's treatment was based on their care needs and level of exposure.
We think most of this probably was respiratory related.
The second leak was also stopped and contained. A hazardous materials team put on hazmat suits to make sure there was no one left inside the building. Greeneville Fire Captain Matthew Solomon says they've had smaller issues with leaks at that facility in the past, but nothing to this extent.
I'm sure we'll have some teams from the fire department go in and talk to them and check, see what we can do better to keep this from happening again.
Investigators are waiting to hear an update on 4 other employees at Newport Medical Center. Officials say anhydrous ammonia is a flammable, corrosive, toxic, and colorless gas.